Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Reading a file as a byte array in Java can be accomplished using several methods. One of the most straightforward approaches is to use the files class from the java.nio.file package, which provides utility methods for file operations. Below, I'll provide a step-by-step tutorial along with a code example to demonstrate how to read a file into a byte array. #tutorial, reading a file as a byte array in Java. Step 1, import required classes. To read a file as a byte array, you need to import the necessary classes. Step 2, define the method to read file. You can create a method that takes a file name, or file path, as input and returns the byte array. Here's how to do it using files.readallbytes method. Step 3, handle exceptions. Reading a file may result in exceptions, such as ioexception. Make sure to handle these exceptions appropriately, either by throwing them or using a try-catch block. Step 4, use the method. You can now use the method in your main function or anywhere else in your program. Explanation of the code. 1. Imports, the necessary classes are imported at the beginning. 2. Read file as byte array method. Takes a string representing the file path. Uses paths get, to get a path object. Utilizes files.readallbytes, to read all bytes from the file and return them as a byte array. 3. Exception handling, the method can throw an ioexception, which is handled in the main method. 4. Main method. Specifies the path to the file. Calls the read file as byte array method and handles any potential exceptions. Prints the number of bytes read to confirm success. Notes. Ensure that the file path you provide is valid and that the file exists, otherwise, you will receive an ioexception. This method reads the entire file into memory, which is suitable for smaller files. For large files, consider reading the file in chunks to avoid memory issues. Conclusion. This tutorial outlines how to read a file as a byte array in Java using java.nio.file. Files. This method is efficient and straightforward for handling file I/O operations in Java applications.